underline the words, spellings, etc. Because, and I also will tell synonyms, antonyms, because our question number 27 is synonym, question number 28 is antonym, and 31 is misspelled words, I mean spelling. So these all are very important. So the English is considered as a easy subject. Okay. So let's read first. Okay. The only in the entire valley sat on the crest of a low hill. From the height one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promise a good harvest. Here I am going to tell about a family, a man, his wife, children, who lived in a silent area like a hill. The crest, what is the crest means? Crest means hard outer layer of a hill where a small house and he and his wife, children, they lived. And when we stand at the top of the hill and look down, we can see the crops that totally covered with flowers, and that field is promising a good harvest. If a good harvest get means really a farmer become very happy because all year he is hard working there. And whenever he stand in front of the field, he really felt proud. My hard work. Now I am going to get a result. If you work hard, then only we get a result. Okay. And the only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. And Lencho, his name, is just waiting for just a downpour. What's downpour? Downpour means rain or shower. Rain. Okay? He is waiting for the rain. That only needed. Then after the rain, he can cut the crops. And throughout the year, morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing. Okay, but see the sky towards the northeast. Every morning, Lencho will come outside and stand in front of the field and look to the northeast. Why? Just for a rain that he wants. Okay. Now we are going to get some water woman. The woman who was preparing food prepared. Yes, God willing. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones are playing playing near the house, until the woman called them, come for dinner. And the thing is happening that the older children were working in the field and some small children were there. They were playing near the house, and till they will stay there, the mother will call them, come for food. That time, till that time, they will stay outside only. It was during the mealtime that just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. And just Lencho predicted. Predicted means what is the meaning? Foreseen. Okay? Something is going to be happening. Future, that is like a weathercast, etc. And he just, rain will come. So he was already predicted. Okay, slowly he became happy. Why? Because the rain is going to come. Just, and what happened? Huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching in northeast. Huge mountains of clouds. See the sentence? Underline. Huge mountains of clouds means it is a metaphor. Directly it is comparing. When we compare with as or like, that's called simile. It's a figure of speech in grammar section. So he became so happy. Now I am going to get a rain. So he said to his wife, now really we are going to get some water woman. And she said, yes, God willing. Opposite, unwilling. Okay? Now, the man went out for other reason, no other reason. Then Job just went out, no other result than have the pleasure of feeling the rain. Then Job came outside. Why? Just he want to feel the rain on his body because he was waiting for that rain. Okay, he came outside. Then next. When he returned, when he turned, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. The big drops are 10 cents and the small drops are, he is comparing the raindrops, okay? The big raindrops are 10 cents, it's a kind of money. Okay, like in these small classes we said 1 penny, 2 penny, hot cross 1, so penny, dollar. So Lejo is comparing that big raindrops are 10 cents, I mean whatever it is money, and small raindrops are 5 cents. It means when the rain fall down only he become very happy and with the satisfied expression. Regarded the field of ripe corn with the flowers draped in a curtain of rain. Draped, what's the meaning of draped? Draped means cover. Cover with something, okay na? So, when he stand in front of the field, he could see that the rain totally covered the field. Here he becomes so satisfied. With a satisfaction, he was standing in front of that field. But what happened? We prayed something, but God decided another something. Am I right? And here you see, but suddenly a strong